because there's been a ton of pans touching all these, so no eating the walnuts. All right, no eating the walnuts. Yes, some people are allergic to walnuts.
It looks so weird.
What does it look like? What does that look like?
It looks like an alien. It kind of looks like caramel corn.
It looks like an alien.
What's up here? A brain. So this looks like a brain.
It looks like an alien bat.
All right.
It looks like a dead frog.
And so right now, all the trees, walnut trees, are dormant. Let's see if you guys know what's dormant mean.
Like a ton.
What's dormant? The trees are dormant, not growing. It's the opposite. Not growing. What do you guys do at night?
Hibernating.
Sleep. So the trees are sleeping now. And so the trees look like this. They don't have any leaves on it.
I have that tree at my house.
Do you really?
There's a cherry close to my house, and there's a whole bunch of there.
All right, so the trees are going to start